We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray with the Hater Blocker Zone Steel, man. Shout out to IAA, man. That's where we at right now. We about to get right into it, but first, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so y'all can join the Hustle Nation if you're feeling up to it. You know, I got a lot of people who are watching the videos, but y'all have not subscribed to the channel. Y'all need to subscribe and hit that notification bell so y'all can be updated when your boy upload a video. You know what I'm saying? I'll be giving y'all those bangers every day. When you subscribe and you hit that bell, it's gonna pop up right on your phone, as long as your push notifications is on your phone for YouTube. But shouts out to the whole Hustle Nation too, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Again, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure y'all follow me on the Instagram, link in the description below, wehustledaily.co, and make sure you go to wehustledaily.com if you're interested in learning how to buy and sell cars at the auction, learning how to properly inspect cars, you know, trying to make some money. I'm gonna teach you everything I know. So we got a couple of cars right by each other today, which is a good thing. I guess we can start behind us. So we got a Honda Odyssey. I actually got two Honda Odysseys we're gonna check out today. So this is one of them. Got some good tires on it, which is good. The body look good. I be scared of these because of the transmissions. I know I got a homie, he said they be pretty, every time he buy one they be pretty good for him, but you know, I just don't like the Honda V6s, man. Hondas and they V6s, they kind of blew it. So this is a 2004 with 142 on the miles. I had two of them on my list. Let me see what's going on, but it looks good. The body looks good. Some of the tires is messed up. Let's see. Let me see. Yep, this one at 2004. Oh, it's clean. Let's see if it got power. Y'all already know if a car does not have power. Y'all know I don't usually mess with it. Got to have power for Big Play Ray. And if you don't know the reason, make sure you go to whdacademy.com. I'll explain it to you. You feel me? I promise you I will. I'll explain it to you. But this one is going to be a no. So let's check out the Infinity right here. Let me see which one is this. Beep 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 beep. So I don't like this Infinity already because it got a freaking black door. I mean, it's nothing that serious, but I don't know, it's ugly, man. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Will I be trying to find another door and all that? Heck no. I'm gonna sell it the way it is. Let's see, this is a 2005, 190 on the miles. I don't think this joint got no power either. Seat all the way up top. We can make sure though. Yeah, nothing. So yeah, man, again, y'all know I don't crank the cars unless they got a little power. You gotta have a little power for me to crank you, you know what I'm saying? Glad my cars is right next to each other. We got a Hyundai Elantra. Looks decent in there, 2003. 2003. Looks alright to me, See what that inside looking like. Then what the hell they do to the back? Scratching up the back? Maybe some kids or something. Oh, and they got a foul smell in here that I'm not liking. Kinda has a, yeah, it does. 154 on the miles. We're gonna try to crank it up anyway, just to see. And look at the knob. Hold up. Usually I'll be able to pull it, but I can't even pull it. So we probably gotta get to the front. Matter of fact, let's go around. It ain't no bad smell, but it do smell. Let me see. Let there be lights. No crank up, man. So that's the third one, man. They doing us dirty out here, so let's keep it moving, y'all. Dang. All right, guys, so we got a Durango. See what the Durango hitting like. We're gonna see if we got. We ain't got time for this. All right, so we got a Dodge Charger RT. It says this is the RT Plus. We got some more pinstripes. Loving the pinstripes. See the damage. Bumpers coming off. Nice little wheels on it. Got the Hemi badge. They added the pinstripes again. Going all the way back to the car. Back. Okay, I see what they were going for. This is an older model. But this one, it's not bad actually. As far as damage go, I don't really see too much damage on it. It's a 2013 Challenger. Let me see. 190,000 miles on this one. Ooh, sorry. Leather. They could have put RT right there. Leather in the back, leather in the front. Ugh. They know they could have put that RT right there. This one got paddle shifters. Oh, we got push to start. Motor knocking a little bit, but it's quiet down. Challenger. No sunroof on the Challenger. AC feel like it's blowing. How that sound to y'all? That sound decent or what? Let me try to get y'all some what you call it? Yeah, this one actually sounds kind of solid, if you ask me. It sounds kind of solid. It sounds decent. Let's look up under the hood. They only got $900 on the bid right now. That's pre-bid. 5.7 V8. Motor look good. Got a salvage, but it's only because of this. So you're looking at. Well, they tried to put the bumper on halfway, huh? They got it freaking holding on for dear life. You push it up, it may be on there a little better. It's just a bottom piece they gotta attach. See the inner, what you call it, is gone. The inner fender liner is gone. Got some plugs just hanging and dangling right there. Other than that, I think this one still ride, man. What y'all think about this one though? This one definitely get cheaper. Definitely can get this one cheaper for you Mopar guys. 100%, no sunroof. Added the pinstripes for you though. Let me know what y'all think in them comments. What y'all think this thing gonna go for? But definitely can get this thing cheaper. 5.7, not the 392 or the Hemi, but 5.7 should get y'all where y'all need to go. What do we have here? Another Buick boys, 2007 Buick LaCrosse. Buick boys. Y'all know I'm part of the Buick boys. This is the CXS. Leather's pretty decent on the inside. Let's see if it got some power, man. Waste no time messing with this thing, dude. Nope. Dang, it's clean too. Super clean. It does have a foul smell to it, so I guess that's, I don't know, man. But these cars, man, it'd be crazy how many of these cars be in this auction that don't crank up, man. It's ridiculous. So, and again, for some of y'all who gonna still be in the comments, jump box, bring you a jump box. make sure y'all go to that website, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want y'all to mess up y'all money. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of tricks to the trade when it comes to this auction game. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Be right back. All right, I got this Escalade. Got $1,500 on it right now. On the 20 twins. Let me see. I can't even see what size rims these are. Oh, this is good battery. '26s. Used to be third row. There go to your center caps right there for the rest of the TVs. They got one TV in the headrest. I mean, rest of the rims got one TV in the headrest, one TV not in the rear headrest. I think it said dead battery though, so this thing's not about to crank up. And it's a 2005 Escalade, and they got the nerve to have freaking all this money on it already, like 1600s, like 1570 something. They took their speakers out. The interior looks decent. Not the best, but it looks decent. Yeah, don't got no power most likely. I don't hear anything. Nope, no power, baby. So, can't do nothing with that, yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep it moving. I see they tried to paint the brake calipers blue too to match the car. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in them comments. All right, check this thing out, y'all. This thing is nasty right here. Big lips on this thing, huge, like, dang. This joint nasty. On the 24s, that joint nasty. Look at the lip on this joint with the silver door handles. Off-road monster. That lip is crazy, bro. Look at my hand, dog. Damn. Off-road lights. Put this in there. That's cool. That joint nasty, dude. Am I falling? Got the damn. That lip is just disgusting right there, boy. Oh my gosh. So such the interior for y'all. Just got the regular black, clean LEDs in the front. This thing nasty. Oh my god. I'm digging the suspension on this joint. That joint nasty, bro. Damn, that joint nasty. Got some shocks. Got a little suspension bar here. But you cannot beat those wheels, bro. That wheel is disgusting. Chopping. I think they one directional though, because one's chopping the other way. Oh no, that's right, isn't it? No, that's wrong. But yeah, man, this thing's nice though. I like it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. That thing is hitting, boy. Let's see what we got. 2001 Pontiac Grand Prix. It's the GT version. Look a little rough, but looks good, looks good, looks decent. Looks decent to me. What happened to our light? Let's grab this key right here. Which one is it? This one? There's only one on here. I cranked up kind of funny. It definitely cranked up kind of funny. Let's try that again. Cranked up normal that time. Might need some power steering. Yep. See what that's looking like. I think it's probably gonna be a 3100. Nah, you're 30, 39, 38, one of them. 38, 38. Power steering fluid is, I believe, down there. Yeah. Y'all can't see it. Power steering fluid is down there. Don't sound too good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna check this one out. Got a sunroof. Gotta check this one out, y'all. Matter of fact, let me walk over here to the Malibu right here too. Let that marinate, this burgundy Malibu. Wow, and there's my Odyssey. Glad these cars are right next to each other. So we got a 2007 Malibu. I'm gonna go check that Pontiac out, make sure it's decent looking. Let's see. I don't think I've ever seen one with the black interior in there. Looks alright. Ah! No. Alright. Over here then to the Odyssey. Mm. 2002 Odyssey. I know we checked out the other one. This one looks straight. All these cars stink. Come on. Hold on, y'all. All right, no power. So, let me finish checking this out. And I'm gonna let y'all know how it is, if I think it's a yes or a no. It is kind of rough, but y'all know how I like to buy cars, man. Cheap cars, spend a little money, make a little money, keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? In a day or two. So I'll be right back with y'all. Let me check it out, see what we got. Power steering is already done kind of messing it up for this car, but let me see what else the car got, and I'll be right back with y'all. See if this is gonna be a yes or a no. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and this car is trash. So we're not going to mess with this one. So that's gonna be it for today's video, man. Hustle Nation, there's nothing really out here, nothing much too much more out here, man. I love y'all. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to IAA. Appreciate every single one of y'all, man, supporting your boy, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all haven't done so already. I appreciate that, man. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. I'm out. Peace.